Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mint NFTs on the NFT Go app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, to mint NFTs, you have to download the app, the NFT Go app, create a wallet or connect one of your already existing wallets, and then you just have to tap on create at the bottom of the screen. Then you will receive this message about minting NFTs, few introductory sentences. Then first step is to upload your NFT file, which is going to be this earbud design for me that I created on my iPad, and then tap on next step. Here you have to add your NFT details. Now I'm just going to write something so we can skip this part. Yep, and when you add your details, the title, description and email, you just have to tap on next step. And the third step is going to be to publish your NFT by choosing the category here: art, collectible, photography, utility, sports, video games, or virtual world. Now I would put this in the art category, even though it's not too artistic. And yeah, you just have to publish your NFT on the NFT Go app. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.